We've gathered reviews from across the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Gildan Men's Crew T-shirts Multipack, Style G 1100. If you own this product, we encourage you to leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The Gildan Men's Crew T-shirts have earned their place as one of the most popular wardrobe staples for men. With over 306,000 customer ratings on Amazon and a bestsellers rank of #1 in men's T-shirts, this multi-pack is widely praised for its affordability, comfort, and durability. These shirts are crafted from 100% cotton, with some color options featuring a 90% cotton and 10% polyester blend, ensuring a soft touch against the skin while providing breathability and moisture-wicking performance. The tag-free design eliminates irritation, making these shirts ideal for all-day wear. One of the standout features of these shirts is their versatility. Customers frequently mention using them for layering under jackets, lounging at home, or wearing them as standalone tees for casual outings. The classic length allows for easy tucking, while the lay-flat collar and snug sleeve fit provide a flattering look for various body types. Whether you're running errands, working out, or relaxing at home, these shirts adapt seamlessly to your lifestyle. Durability is another key selling point. Many reviewers highlight how well these shirts hold up after multiple washes without losing their shape or color. The stitching is robust and designed to withstand daily wear and tear. However, some users noted minor issues with messy seams on the inside or loose threads that can be easily trimmed with scissors. Despite this small drawback, the overall construction remains reliable and long-lasting. Comfort is unanimously praised by customers. The soft cotton fabric feels gentle against the skin, while the built-in moisture-wicking technology keeps you cool and dry during warmer days or physical activities. Some users did mention that sweat marks might show on lighter colors if perspiration is excessive, but this is a minor concern compared to the overall comfort provided. The fit of these shirts has also received positive feedback from buyers with diverse body types. Tall individuals appreciate the extended length that prevents constant tugging down, while others enjoy how the sleeves hug their arms without restricting movement. The neck opening strikes a perfect balance, not too tight or too loose, adding to the overall comfort and style. Style-wise, these shirts are plain and basic but highly functional. They work well as undershirts or standalone tees paired with casual outfits like khakis or joggers. While they may not be fashion-forward, their simplicity makes them reliable for everyday use. Affordability is perhaps the most significant advantage of these shirts. At approximately $5 per piece in a multi-pack of 5, they offer exceptional value for money. This price point makes it easy to stock up on quality basics without breaking the bank. Sustainability is another noteworthy aspect of this product. Manufactured with OECO-TEX Standard 100 certification, these shirts adhere to environmentally responsible production practices using safer chemicals. In summary, the Gildan Men's Crew T-shirts excel in delivering comfort, durability, and value at an unbeatable price. While they may have minor flaws like slightly messy seams or sweat visibility on lighter colors, these issues are far outweighed by their numerous benefits. They're perfect for men seeking reliable wardrobe basics that cater to both casual and active lifestyles. If you're looking for affordable everyday comfort with versatile styling options, these Gildan T-shirts are an excellent choice. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to support our channel and explore this product further.